guys, what's up? It's Ashley. So today we are going to be doing the February BoxyCharm unboxing. I did things a little bit differently. My camera is usually facing this way and it's facing this way this time, so if I keep looking in that corner, that's why. Don't mind my hair. Have you ever had those days where like your hair just won't even do things? Like it won't even go into a messy bun without being ridiculous? So that's what I'm dealing with today. I wasn't expecting my BoxyCharm to even be here today. It said it wasn't going to be here till Thursday. So I put on makeup. My eyebrows are ridiculous. That NYX, the 3-in-1 crayon, the brow gel is just so dark. I tried to be like, oh, I'm just going to do my brows real fast and throw this gel on there. Wrong. But anyways, this is the February BoxyCharm. I'm kind of nervous about this box. I know a couple of things in this box. I've seen it all over Instagram. I couldn't avoid it. It doesn't look that great. So anyways, let's jump right into it. This is a subscription service. It is $21 a month. You get it every single month. This comes with, you open it up, this is what it looks like. It comes with this card in here that tells you the theme of the month, which is Afterglow, and then on the back it's got all of the full-size prices. So let's just jump into it. I'm actually a little bit more excited now because this, and we'll just get it. This is the first thing I pull out. This is what I was hoping I would get. This is the only thing. I mean, there's another thing in here. Really the only thing I was super excited about, and this was a variation, so I might not have even gotten this, but I'm obsessed with the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. I have this one, and then I have a backup of it that my husband bought me for Christmas. So this is their Coco Cabana Cream, which is the new scent. I'm so backwards, y'all. I'm sorry. The Coco Cabana. And this one's supposed to smell like coconuts, but it is just an all-over body cream. The struggle is so real today. Why do these always turn out so bad for me? And it's just the most adorable little travel size, and these are not cheap. The full size is like $42, so oh, it smells straight up like, this is what it looks like. It smells straight up like coconut candy. I could probably even cut this off. So that's what it looks like. It does look different than the Bum Bum Cream. This looks more like yogurt, whereas the Bum Bum Cream looks more like a lotion. So I'm really excited to try that. I think that the Bum Bum Cream is still my favorite scent. I even have the like body spray of the Bum Bum Cream, so that's really exciting. This is a $20 value. So yeah, and you can see size comparison. This is the full size. I mean, you do get a lot. I've had the full size for years now, and I still have. Moving on, the next thing I see is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. This was one of my first high-end brand mascara purchase. This is what the wand looks like. Come on, focus on me. So this is a fantastic mascara. This is everybody's like holy grail mascara. So this alone is $24. It's really nice metal packaging, so that's really awesome. I did know that I was going to get this. This was not a variant. Everybody got this in their box. But this was the first thing that they leaked that was going to be in the box. So moving on, this. If anybody wants this, let me know. I'm probably going to sell this. This is the Touch and Soul No Problem Primer. I own this same bottle. This is an $18 value. I do not like this primer. It does nothing for me. I don't think that it hides my pores or smooths anything in my opinion. So this is a no-go from me. I'm trying to make this video not suck so bad. So yeah, It's supposed to be a blurring primer. I'm not even going to use it. I've used this on my channel before. I don't like it. I'm not going to keep it. And then we have the, I actually got a good box. So the No Problem primer and the Too Faced mascara were both not variants. They were guaranteed to be in every box. And then I'm pretty excited about this. This is the Pretty Vulgar Bronzed Mannequin Bronzed Bee Bronzer. Come on. The packaging is everything. I got the Pretty Vulgar setting powder in a previous BoxyCharm and I love it. It's like my favorite thing ever. Well, not my favorite, but it's currently my favorite setting powder. So that's what it looks like. This is really exciting. I wanted the highlighter, but whatever. You either got a bronzer or a highlighter in your box. And highlighters are my favorite things ever, so I would have rather the highlighter, but this is really pretty and I can't wait to play with it. This is a $32 value, so that's not really expensive for bronzer. The last thing I got was this Nude Sticks Magnetic Luminous Eye Color in the shade Copper Foil. This is what it looks like. Sorry y'all keep seeing my hand, but my camera doesn't want to focus. The lighting sucks. My hair sucks. It's just a struggle bus. These are always so struggle for me. I've never tried anything from Nude Sticks, but I've heard that they are really amazing. So this is just an eye pencil, and this is a $24 value. Ooh, that went on like butter, and it is just so smooth and pigmented. Yes, I'm super excited about this box now. So I don't feel so scared because, like I said, I was really worried about getting this box. I love this. I'm not a big pencil fan, but it's really cool to have. So yeah, guys, that's my February box. Let's see if I can add this up in my head real fast. So it's like a $118 value, I guess, if I did that right. I'm super excited. Yeah, the only thing that I don't like is this primer. So much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like this. I am so sorry that this video was such a struggle, but it is what it is. It happens. I just wanted to make sure that I got this video out since I did receive this boxy today. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave some love. You know the drill. Bye.